From the Scout Track homepage, you can manage any of your Scouts' achievements, electives, sports and academics belt loops and pins, or any other badges that your Scout has earned. Every Scout's record starts with the Bobcat Trail no matter what rank he starts as. Then you will see achievements, electives, pins, and badges, and in this case we're looking at a Tiger record, but no matter what rank your Scout is, you will always see the same links. In this example, we're going to take a look at Steve Scout's Tiger Trail achievements, so we'll click that link and you'll see all 5 achievements that are required to earn the Tiger rank listed on the left. You'll see a do column in the middle, and that will indicate how many of the steps within each achievement need to be completed. And then on the far right, you'll see a legend with paw prints. These paw prints indicate whether each step within the achievement have not been completed, and in that case, the paw print will be clear. If the achievement has been planned but not yet completed, it will appear gray. And if the achievement has already been done, it will appear black. Once all the steps within an achievement have been completed, you'll see that the folder for that achievement has been checked. That means that that one is done and you don't need to go any further. So let's say that in this example we have a clear paw print within Making My Family Special, and that means that that step has not been done. So let's go ahead and open that folder by clicking the link, and then you'll see each step within that folder listed. These are the 3 steps in this example that this Scout needs to complete to earn that Making My Family Special achievement. So you'll see that the first one, 1F, was done at the DEN meeting on 10/7, 1D was done at the DEN meeting on 9/30, and 1G has not yet been planned or done. Now for Tigers, usually that's the G is a go see it, and in this case, let's say that the DEN is not going to be able to go to a library or historical museum as a DEN, and they've asked each family to complete that step individually. So as the parent of Steve Scout, I'm going to go in here, and let's say that, well, you have 2 options. You can either go ahead and mark that you've planned to do that, either on some date in the future or some specific date. You can choose a specific date if you already know when you're going to do that. Or you can just come in and say that you've already completed it. In this case, let's say that we completed that. We went to the library as a family on December 30th. I'll go ahead and select that date, and that was 2013, and then we'll save. Now you see that that paw print has changed to black, and that link shows done at home on 12/30/13, and because we marked that as done, you now see a check mark by that folder. So we can go ahead and click that link again, and that will collapse that folder, and we'll go back to the overview screen. Here we see a gray paw print for one of the steps of Where I Live. So I'll click Where I Live to expand that list, and you'll see that that first requirement, which is look at a map of your community with an adult partner, is planned at the DEN meeting. That means that your DEN leader has come in and marked that achievement as planned, and so you don't need to do anything for that. If you've already completed that yourself for some reason, you could come in and change it to completed for your Scout, but in general you'll want to go ahead and complete those activities as a DEN if your DEN leader has planned that already for you. Once you've made any and all updates to the record, we'll go ahead and click Return to Home, and in general you always want to use the Return button instead of the back button on your browser. So I'll click Return. That takes us back to that home screen. In the next video we'll look at how to update electives. It's a very similar process, but we'll also look at a quick entry that you can do on any of these screens if you have more than a few achievements or electives to update at a time, you might find that quick entry will help you do that more quickly.